Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are upcycling tin cans and making vintage Valentine treat buckets. These are super cute for the kids and they'll keep them all year long. Plus they can use them for their pencils and erasers and put them on their desk. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some vintage Valentine treat buckets. If you don't have big wooden beads like I used, you could use pipe cleaners or more ribbon. It's up to you. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.